Tired of struggling with flimsy factory jacks when you need to swap tires or perform oil changes at home? First up, we have the Jack Boss 3-ton low profile racing jack, which is a hybrid masterpiece of aluminum and steel. This jack solves the problem of heavy lifting without the backbreaking weight, as the aluminum billet construction keeps it at a manageable 58.5 pounds while maintaining professional grade strength. It features a dual piston quick lift pump that gets you to your desired height in half the time compared to single pump models. With a low profile clearance of just under 4 inches, it slides easily under lowered sports cars, yet reaches over 18 inches for SUVs. The included rubber saddle is a huge plus because it prevents metal on metal contact that can scratch your vehicle's frame. If you are a hobbyist who frequently moves your gear between the garage and the track, this is the perfect balance of portability and power. Imagine effortlessly lifting your travel trailer or sedan with a few smooth strokes and having total control during the descent. Next, at number 2, we are looking at the DNA Motoring 2-ton hydraulic trolley jack, a compact powerhouse designed for light-duty maintenance. This tool is specifically built for those who need a reliable, no-nonsense lifting solution for smaller sedans and coupes without taking up massive amounts of garage floor space. It features a built-in safety release valve that provides essential overload protection, ensuring the jack never fails under too much weight. The heavy-duty steel construction provides a rigid foundation, while the 360-degree swivel casters allow you to maneuver it into tight corners with ease. This is the ideal choice for the casual DIYer who wants a dedicated trunk jack for emergency roadside assistance. You can quickly position the large saddle under your jacking point and feel confident that the stable base will hold firm while you swap out a flat tire. It is lightweight enough to carry in one hand, but tough enough to handle 4,000 pounds of pressure whenever you are in a pinch. Now for number 3, we have the DNA Motoring 3-ton fast lift service jack, which is a significant step up for those working on heavier vehicles. This hydraulic beast solves the issue of reaching high lift points on trucks and SUVs thanks to its impressive 20-inch maximum height. It utilizes a dual piston pump system that allows for a speedy lift, meaning you spend less time pumping and more time actually working on your car. The frame is made of heavy-duty steel for maximum durability in industrial or home garage settings, and it includes a rubber padded saddle to keep your undercarriage pristine. This jack is perfect for the serious home mechanic who needs a versatile tool that can handle a low-clearance car 1 minute and a full-sized SUV the next. Picture yourself sliding this under a heavy truck and watching it rise smoothly and securely with very little physical effort required. Just remember that this is for lifting only, so always pair it with jack stands for any prolonged work. Coming in at number 4 is the Yellow Jacket 4-ton low-profile floor jack, which is the heavy hitter of the group for those with massive loads. If you own a light truck or a large SUV, the 8,800-pound capacity ensures you are never pushing your equipment to its absolute limit. It features a unique yellow finish that is resistant to cracking and peeling, keeping your shop looking professional for years. The dual pump system is incredibly efficient, and the safety valve offers peace of mind by preventing any accidental overloads during a lift. This jack is best for owners of heavy-duty vehicles who want a wide surface area for better contact and stability during the lifting process. The handle is also detachable, which makes storing such a high-capacity tool surprisingly easy, even in smaller workspaces. Whether you are working on a roadside repair or a scheduled rotation in your driveway, this jack provides the muscle and height range to get the job done safely. And finally, number 5 is the electric car jack kit, a 7-in-1 emergency solution that completely removes the physical labor from tire changes. This kit is a lifesaver for anyone who finds manual pumping difficult or wants the fastest possible recovery during a breakdown. It features a 5-ton hydraulic lift that raises your vehicle in under a minute with the push of a button, powered directly by your car's 12V outlet. Beyond just lifting, it includes a built-in tire inflator, an LED light for nighttime visibility, and an electric impact wrench to zip those lug nuts off instantly. This is the ultimate travel companion for road trips or for drivers who want a comprehensive garage in a box stored in their trunk. Imagine being stuck on a dark highway in the rain and being able to lift your SUV and change the tire without breaking a sweat or getting your hands dirty. It even has a self-locking safety system to ensure the vehicle stays put even if the power source is disconnected. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all the jacks featured today. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you stay updated on all our latest tool reviews and garage gear guides. Comment below and let me know which of these jacks you're adding to your kit, or tell me what product you want to see me test next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.